So a few weeks ago, I did a video on how to change the LED colors on your Xbox Series Elite 2, your DualShock 4, and your DualShock 5 controllers for the PS4 and PS5 respectively. And I think Microsoft must have been listening because they have just released a major update for the Xbox Accessories app, which allows you to change the colors on your Xbox Elite Series 2 on your console and on your PC without having to use Steam like I was showing you before. Now again, unfortunately, this only works with the Elite Series 2 or the new Elite Series 2 Core, which is the white color one. It will not work with the regular Xbox controllers for the Xbox One or the Series S and X. It only works for the Elite Series 2. Now the nice thing is the setup is the exact same whether you're on console or PC. Make sure you have the most up-to-date Xbox Accessories app installed. We're going to be doing this on my Xbox here. Once you have your controller appeared and it's there, you can go ahead and go to configure. You can now go to one of the profiles. We're going to go ahead and go to this demo profile that I created. If not, you can always go and create a new profile. We're going to go down to the demo, and then you're going to go over to edit. Now here there's a new tab you can see. It is called color. So if we go to the color tab, right now our Xbox controller is a white LED. I don't know how well it's going to appear on camera. But we can go ahead and we can change a bunch of the colors based on presets or predefined. These are all predefined ones, so these are all pre-done. Or you can go ahead and you can customize your hue, saturation, and lightness very easily right within the app. Now this is awesome. Again, it gives people a little bit more customization, a little bit way to personalize their controllers. I think this is really cool, and the fact that this feature was in the controller to begin with, and it just hasn't been officially able to be done through the Xbox or natively through Windows. You had to use Steam's controller menus to do this. The fact that they've added this now to the Xbox Accessories app is awesome. Makes it a lot easier for people. One common thing that people were complaining about on my old videos is that it wasn't entirely working for them all the time. This should be much more straightforward. If you do not see the color tab, make sure that your app is updated and make sure that your controller has the most recent update. To check your controller update, you just go ahead and go to the three little dots at the bottom here on the main menu. And then you can go ahead and go to update now, and it'll say, hey, you got an update. Go ahead, leave your controller entirely motionless, and it will apply the update over the air. The nice thing about this as well is that your controller does not need to be plugged in as long as it's connected to your Xbox or using an official Xbox adapter for your PC. If you are using Bluetooth, however, on your PC, you may want to plug it in because sometimes over Bluetooth, a lot of these features don't work. Now, the other cool thing is I didn't have to update my controller in order for it to work with the app, so that's awesome. But this is a good thing to do in case you are running into an issue where you don't see the color tab or the colors aren't actually changing on your controller. So once you have your profile set up, you're going to have to assign it to a slot. So if you see here now, right now it says demo is assigned to no slot. Go ahead and make sure to assign it to a slot, whether it's slot 1 or slot 2 or slot 3. And then once you do that, your controller color should update. I don't know how well this is going to appear on the camera because I do have some very bright lights. But now when it's on slot 1, the color is purple. Now I hope you found this video helpful. I'm really glad that they did this, like I said. If you do have any questions, comments, or feedback, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below, and I will try to get to them all as quickly as possible. Big thanks to my patron sponsors, Thought Slime, Step Back, and Roger Son of Dojo, and thank you for watching this video. If you do want to see any of my other tips and tricks videos, you can go ahead and check out one of the videos right up here. And until then, stay safe out there. I'll see you next Friday.